Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you are watching this video. So, I just want to be doing a quick video to show you how you can actually carry out the tax on Arichain wallet. It's very simple and it's very easy. Just follow the whole steps I'm going to teach you. So, first of all, you just go to your Arichain, your Ari wallet app. You log into your Ari wallet. So, remember, if you've not updated your app, just make sure you update your app. So you're going to see this uh where you're seeing this edit info. You're going to be seeing complete tax or do something like maybe just carry out your tax. So all you need to do is click on it. If I click on it, it's going to open the next page for me here on my own because I've submitted already, so I can only edit my info. So if I click on edit, this is what you're going to see. First of all, you're going to submit your ENV wallet address, and then you're going to select your Discord handle, and then you're going to also select your Twitter handle. So these are just the three steps you're going to do, and then you're also going to repeat the same three steps on your Discord uh, page. So first of all, you go to your either MetaMask or whichever EMV wallet you want to make use of. So let's say we are using MetaMask. So simply just go to your MetaMask. I'll open my MetaMask. Let me use my fingerprint to open my MetaMask so I can get my BSC wallet address, which is Binance Change. Uh, Let me see, not now. So I'm going to go to receive. So I'll go to BNB chain. So this is Binance network. So I'll click on this address, and then I'll come back to my Arichain app, my Ari wallet, and then I'll paste the address here, which is the same address. My Discord handle, if you don't know your Discord handle, you go to your Discord app and then you copy your handle, which is the handle, the name you are using on your Discord. You paste it here, and then your X, which is your Twitter wallet handle, you copy it also here, and then you save. Once you're done saving, it will tell you you've submitted your details. And then you also have to rush back to your Discord. Here you can even see they are telling you, please. Okay, so what you're supposed to see is you're also going to submit the same information on your Discord app. So let me go to my Discord app. So I'm going to show you how to go about it. So I'll open my Discord app. This is actually the chat box. So let me open it. So you're going to check in among all these lists, these different groups or rooms that you're going to enter. So you're going to look for account registration. You can see it here, account registration with this hash in front of it. So I'll click on this account registration. It will open. Then what you're supposed to type is, you can see it here. This is what you're supposed to type. Very simple. Put this forward slash. So you're going to see this account registration dash bot. Immediately you put it, it's going to pop up. So you can see it's going to pop up a modal for you to enter those same details that you just entered on your Ari wallet. So I'll click on this Ari dash account dash registration dashboard. I'll click on it. When you click on it, you send. Let me shift this. You send. Immediately after sending, you wait for the modal to open. So you can see it has opened the modal for me. I've already filled this same information. So you can see I've entered my EMV wallet address, which is the same address for my MetaMask, my Twitter handle. This time around is Twitter handle and not Discord name. So I've entered it, and then my Ari wallet. You go back to your Ari app and then you copy your wallet address. Immediately you enter it, you click submit. It will show you you've completed this same process, and then you can actually come back and then update the whole process. So it's very simple, straightforward. Just follow these whole steps and you understand it. So if this video was helpful, please like, comment, and then share for others to also benefit. Thank you.